my name is Minnie Robles with ATAS International. I'm the product representative for Arizona and Southern Nevada. I've been in the industry approximately 15 years, from a receptionist to project manager assistant to distribution and outside sales, and now as a manufacturing rep. Over the last 15 years, I landed in the industry by chance, and I stayed here by choice. My responsibilities as a product representative is to connect with the architects. We like to connect with the architects and help them design that building, bring their vision to life by offering a product, a service, a trim, any of several details that we can offer with our extensive 65-page catalog. We have a lot of options to offer, so we want to make sure that we help during the design stage so that when it does get to the subcontractor stage, we're able to help the general contractors and the subcontractors bring that vision to life. So we have a responsibility to be connected to the architect, the general contractor, the subcontractor, as well as the end user, the field installer. So we like to be the go-to metal expert, and I think that's the most important thing or description of our job. We also have a lot to learn. As product representatives, we never stop learning. That is probably the most important thing about the skill that you want to have to be a product representative. You want to be willing to learn, willing to learn from the architect, the subcontractor, the general contractor, but most importantly, learn from your peers, other men and women in the industry. That is why community involvement is extremely important for this field. We want to be involved with NRCA, MCA, ARCA, all the associations, not only locally but nationally, in order for us to drive that success. We want to make sure that our community knows we're not just a piece of metal that is manufactured. There are true and beautiful people behind it. As far as a skill that you will need to be a product representative, it would be communication. Communication with your internal customer, which is the people you work with. You want to make sure you have communication with both production, your inside team, your outside team, your other product reps, your management team, so that everybody's on the same page. Being able to be openly communicative is a very, very important skill as a product representative. You want to be sure that you're able to communicate with your customer and architect as well, and continue to grow, continue to be willing to learn something, be reliable, knowledgeable, but also be very humble. We don't know what everybody else does, and they don't know what we do. So we have to make sure that we maintain together so that we can make this industry even better than what it is. So I thank you for watching the video today, and have a wonderful National Manufacturing Day. A little unconventional, but I believe this is a great thing for our industry. So good luck, and I hope to hear from you soon.